How to hide bots from user list on Discord mobile. So hiding those bots from the user list on Discord is actually not a straightforward process because Discord does not provide a built-in feature to hide bots. So what you can do is you can just use roles, head over to your homepage, and then just go to the server that you're part of and then moderator off. Click on settings, scroll down and then click on rules. And then from in there, click on this plus option. And then for this one, let's name this as bots. Then just choosing your role color and click on create. And then for this one, you can choose which one you want for this. I'll just choose your cosmetic. And then I'll add in here all of the bots that I have added at my channel. Click on finish. And then for this one, just head over and then click on this bots right here. And then you can add in here permissions. And then you can make sure to throw them a spot instead. So that's how you actually hide bots from user list on Discord mobile. Hope you help.